Here's one of several entrances to get into Michigan's longest cave. We're gonna go take a look down on the bottom next. Over here is where we can go into the depths of the cave.
Just stay low, don't clunk your head. There you go, you got a nice little pocket.
And then we got a tight squeeze coming up right here. The river through here is so beautiful. The water is so clear.
The next one.
You don't remember how to get out?
Yeah. Oh no, I think he's stuck.
Hell no.
He's stuck.
Grab my phone.
Alright.
That way I can use both hands.
If interested in a more full tour of the cave, I will release a full tour when I hit 200 subscribers.